Hi, welcome to my channel Learn Math. In this session, we are going to discuss quadratic equations. A quadratic equation is a second order equation which in a standard form in a single variable can be written as ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where x is the variable and a, b and c are real numbers. And a cannot take the value of 0, because if a is equal to 0, then this term will be 0 and and the equation is reduced to bx plus c is equal to 0, which is a linear expression. These real numbers a, b and c are also called quadratic coefficients. These are also called the linear coefficients or constant coefficients are also called the free terms. The quadratic equation gets its name from a Latin word quadratus, which means square. So the higher exponent a variable can get in this equation is 2. Now the values of x which satisfies this equation are called solutions, or it may also called the roots, or as the equation is written in ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, so the value of x which will satisfy this equation will get the value is equal to 0. So we can also name those values of x which satisfies this equation is zeros of the quadratic equation. A quadratic equation has two distinct solutions, or it may have a double root, which is mainly in equations where we perform the technique of completing squares for solving of the quadratic equation. Now quadratic equations can be solved by three methods. One is by factorization, in which the quadratic equation can be written as p plus qx one factor, and we have another factor of r plus sx is equal to 0. The second method by which we can solve a quadratic equation is by completing square, and in completing square we have 1x plus 1 by 2b. We get square of this, and that is equal to 1 over 2b whole square. minus c. And the third technique is using the quadratic formula, which is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. The techniques of factorization, completing square and quadratic formula are separately explained with examples and videos for which the link have been provided. If you are interested in learning those techniques, you can view those videos. I hope that this should have explained the quadratic equation, and if you find this helpful, please like the video and subscribe the channel so you can get notified when a new math problem is solved. Thank you very much.